so today we are going fishing. No, I don't. Good morning, guys. So today we are going fishing. So my husband wants to go fishing. He says he either wants to go to the beach or a pond or something, but there's some news going around about some algae or something like that. So let's see what we do. Probably just go saltwater fishing. Um, just waiting on the kids. They take forever. Um, and obviously Miss Haley's back there. She's covered up, so I don't think you can see her. Let me see. Hold on, I'm cutting. Yeah, you probably can't see her, but she's back there playing with her bottle. Yesterday we just went out to Walmart. Like I said, he got some stuff for fishing, and he got that all hooked up and everything last night. So this morning, that's what we're doing. The kids are not thrilled, but it is what it is. All right, see you later. Haley, look, say hi. Look, say hi. Look at your messy hair. We're here. Look. There's Daniel. There's Daddy.
Catch anything so far? Fishing. Don't bite me, ants. Okay.
What's the matter, Haley?
That's cooking now.
Watch out. And Jomari stayed in the car because apparently she does not want to come fishing. So she stayed in the car. I think it's beautiful out here. What's the matter, mommy? Look, the guys are fishing. So Haley got tired of being in her little pouch, and now she's in her stroller. Say hi. Hi. She goes biting on stuff. And we finally have Miss Jomari over there. She decided to come out the car, and she says she's fishing because she's bored, but we all know she just really wanted a fish. And so that's that. We've had a couple of bites, but nothing yet. Still no luck. And the sun is really high up and it is burning. So me and Miss Haley are chilling here in the shade. In the shade. Let's see what happens. She is just sitting down with the pole sticking out from the ground, waiting for something to bite. I mean, she caught a little baby bass, but we had to throw it back in. But she was excited that she caught that. So at least somebody caught something today. Hopefully we could catch something bigger. Hi guys, so update. We are still fishing. Yeah. So I am sitting in the car with little Miss Haley back there. We came in here to just chill in the AC. I was hoping for her to actually take a nap, but I don't think that's happening. It is 1:20 in the afternoon and the sun is beaming. I thought it was gonna be cloudy all day, but apparently it wasn't. So the sun is beaming, so I just had to come in here and just take a break from the sun and the heat. Even though that I had an umbrella open for me and Haley, so we wouldn't get, you know, that much sun or whatever, but she wasn't having it. She just wanted to get out from the heat and just, now she's happy and she's just playing back there. So kids are still fishing. Daniel was in here for a little while, but he got bored and he said, I'm just gonna go back to fishing. So I was like, okay, go ahead. So yeah, I'm just sitting here in the car waiting for them to get bored so we could go home. I'm hungry and I want to eat, so we'll see what happens. And that's what she does. She's a little feisty one. Haley. Haley. Are you gonna take a nap? Huh? You wanna take a nap? No, no, no. No nap? No? Yes? We'll see what happens. All right. Okay guys, so I'm still sitting here. 10 minutes later. I think she is falling asleep, actually. Or she did actually fall asleep. I think she fell asleep. She did. Let's see. Hold on. She fell asleep. Anyways, my hair looks like a mess. A hot mess today. Nothing new. Here comes Jamari. I guess she's done. She's done fishing for the day. She's putting her stuff in the back.
I need something to drink. I need something to get food.
I am hungry.
Can we go get food then while they fish?
I don't know where. I don't know anywhere around here. Okay guys, so I did not end the vlog yesterday. We got home and ate. Actually we ate before coming home. So everybody was in a better mood after that. But as soon as I got home, I started cleaning, cooking and everything and all of that. So I really didn't have time to end the vlog, but again, you know, it was another eventful day. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate all your support. Thank you.